This is the Kama Gear V2 Kamado grill with an external diameter of 25 inches and a cooking grate of 21 inches. It's the perfect grill for groups of up to 10 people. It's our best seller for a reason. Let's take a look inside so we can see what this comes equipped with. First of all, we've got our modular fire brick bowl. If one piece becomes damaged, you only have to replace that individual piece rather than replacing the whole bowl, saving you both time and money. Next up, we have our ash catcher, designed to collect ash and grease, making cleanup quick and easy. Then we have got our charcoal basket, keeping your charcoal nicely contained and improving airflow throughout. Next, we've got our 3-level cooking system, split into 6 cooking zones, allowing you to cook different foods at different temperatures and heights. Now, if we remove the grate and the accessory rack, we can add on our 2 half-moon fire shields, allowing you to use your grill for indirect cooking. Now we've put all the components in there, that is everything you need to get started. So let's take a look at the outside. As we close up our grill, the 40 kg dome feels deceptively light, and that's all thanks to the gravity hinge. It can be effortlessly lifted, lowered, and held in position exactly where you want it. And even better, it won't suddenly drop and catch your fingers. Our Pro Cap offers millimetre level airflow control for precise temperature management. Our bottom air tunnel is designed for a seamless fit, no silicone, no eyesore, and every grill is smoke tested for air gaps. The smooth outer shell is available in olive green or off black, both finished with our smooth shield glaze, making it quick and easy to wipe down and keep looking new. This is all backed by our lifetime warranty promise on our ceramic components. We've developed a range of industry-leading accessories designed to enhance every cook. Combining innovation, craftsmanship and real-world experience, these all allow you to unlock greater versatility as you develop your Kamado cooking skills. This includes our rotisserie kit with attachments, our Kamado pizza attachment, our very own house blend charcoal, cooking surfaces and so much more. We also offer a variety of bundles, making it easier to get the accessories you want from day one. And if that's not already enough, for extra height and surface for preparation, our stand and side wings are available separately. We're a UK-based company, and whilst we're a young brand, we've spent the last 5 years dedicating ourselves to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with Kamado cooking. Our warehouse is in Bedfordshire, so if you're local, feel free to come visit us. Alternatively, you can visit our website to find your nearest KamaGear stockist.